Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-60T-DN-BCD end of period countdown car wash drive-through timer with a pneumatic air hose switch. So what the customer aims to accomplish by utilizing this product is to simply limit the amount of time it takes for workers to vacuum the inside of a car. And how it works is the client sets the desired time to count down from via our BCD rotary switches, and then the driver starts the countdown by driving over the pneumatic air hose switch, which is right by the entrance. And the user can also pause the timer through our 60mm red pause switch. So now I'm going to showcase the functions of this countdown timer and how it is meant to work. So as you can see, we have it set to count down from 5 seconds. It can count down from a grand total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. But for this demonstration, let's have it set to count down from 10 seconds. So first things first, we just simply tip over this enclosure, and as you can see at the bottom, we have our set minutes and set seconds BCD rotary switches. So we're just going to take our flathead screwdriver and we are going to simply turn the fourth digit so that it is facing 0. You can't see it from this distance, but see the 0 and 9 numeric switches inside here. So we are going to now go into the third digit, which is going to act as our 1. So currently you can't see that it's set to 10 seconds because we have to reset the time, and we do that thanks to our pneumatic air hose switch, which starts the countdown timer, and it also resets and starts the countdown set to the BCD rotary switches that we have it set to count down from. So now I'm going to simply step on top of the pneumatic air hose switch, and when I do so, it resets to the currently set BCD rotary switches, which is 10 seconds, and it begins to count down from there. And as you can see, once it counts down to 0, it'll continue to count upward. And as you can see, when it counts up to 10 seconds, the end of period alarm goes off, and that signifies to the workers that we need to move on to the next customer now, and it continues to count upward until it reaches 99 minutes and 59 seconds. And as you can see, this is our momentary 60mm pause switch, which is connected to a terminal block alongside our pneumatic air hose switch. I'm going to press down on that. That stops or pauses the countdown. And on the left side here on the top, we have our end of period buzzer alarm, and we can adjust it to have it sound off at 95 or 105 decibels. So now I'm going to just reset it and have it count down from 10 seconds again. As you can see, we just experienced the end of period buzzer alarm going off at a much louder volume than it was previously. So quickly going over the hardware aspect of this model, as you can see, its enclosure is an extruded aluminum IP66 outdoor wet location waterproof rated. Its display size is a 6-inch LED digit that can be viewed up to a total of 300 feet. The number of digits that it has is 4 digits. It can count up or down to a grand total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds. It counts downward, and then it counts up to a total of 99 minutes and 59 seconds, I should say. Its power type is a 120 VAC junction box with pigtails. For mounting, we have our 2 slotted teardrop mounting tabs on the back of the enclosure, and it can be repositioned horizontally across the extrusion channel. I'm just going to simply dip. So these are our mounting tabs here, and they can be adjusted to any length in any position along the extrusion channel in a horizontal manner. And lastly, for accessories, we have our heavy-duty momentary actuated 60mm red palm switch, which is connected to a terminal block along with our pneumatic air hose switch. And the palm switch comes with 25 feet of cable. We also have our end of period buzzer alarm that sounds off at 95 to 105 decibels. And we also have our DC pneumatic switch that is an air hose switch to be set over the drive-through entrance, and it will start and reset and start the countdown through the BCD rotary switches that it's set to. And it also comes with a 20-foot air hose along with an attached anchor. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating our DC-60T-DN-BCD end of period countdown car wash drive-through timer with a pneumatic air hose switch and a momentary actuated 60mm palm switch for pausing. Thanks for watching.